Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Pilot oil light. To begin, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, locate the menu or home button on your steering wheel and press it. This action will bring up the main display options, allowing you to navigate to the vehicle information screen. Once the main display options appear, use the controls to navigate to Settings, then Vehicle. From there, select Maintenance Information to view your vehicle's service details. You should then see the oil life display, showing the current percentage of your oil's remaining life. Confirm this percentage is visible on the screen. To reset the oil life, press and hold the Enter or Reset button on your steering wheel for several seconds. This action will bring up a new menu. From the options presented, choose Reset or All Due Items to confirm the oil life reset. After confirming, the display should show your oil life has been reset to 100%. Finally, verify that your oil life now clearly displays 100% on the screen. Once confirmed, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely, and then restart the engine. This final step ensures the oil light is no longer illuminated on your dashboard, completing the reset process successfully. You are all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.